Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iOS 17 AirDrop not working on iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to iOS 17 they are facing an issue of AirDrop, that their AirDrop is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're one of them and you're facing this issue and looking for a fix, so you're in the right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to do is check your device compatibility. Ensure that the device involved in the airdrop transfer are compatible with each other. AirDrop may not work between older or new Apple devices. For example, AirDrop between an Apple and a Mac may have limitations based on their age and compatibility. After this, then you have to do is enable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. AirDrop uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to transfer files. Make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. You can enable these settings by going to your control center. After this, you have to do is turn on your AirDrop. Verify that the AirDrop is turned on. You can access this option from the control center. Tap on here and you have to make sure that the AirDrop is set to everyone on 10 minutes for 10 minutes. After trying this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for distance and proximity. Make sure that the both devices are within the close proximity and that there are no physical obstruction between them. AirDrop works best when devices are near each other. After this, then you have to do is restart your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Scroll down and go to your control center and you have to close your devices. Oh, sorry, you have to close your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or you can simply enable your airplane mode. And you have to disable your airplane mode and enable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth again. After trying this all solution, you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for software updates. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to your settings, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying this and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your network settings. If AirDrop still doesn't work, you can try resetting your network settings. To do this, simply have to go back, go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.